Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Epic Game Launcher Google account login problem solve. While trying to access the game, a few users encountered the error message, sorry there was a timeout utilizing the database Epic Games. You can solve the problem by watching the full video. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. First, open the default browser on your computer. I have account in the Epic Games software with Google account, so I'll log into my Google account in this browser. Then open your Epic Game Launcher. Select the account option with which you have logged into the Epic Games Launcher. Click Continue. Then click Continue. Wait a while. You can see my account is login. If you have any problem logging into your account, please comment. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member.
Thanks for watching.